Hey everyone,
Hello. My name is
Meg, and we are back with more Star Wars reactions. I am going to watch Phantom Menace today. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Meg, and I'm watching most of the Star Wars movies for the first time. I had only seen a couple of the newer ones, which don't compare in my honest opinion. But I recently completed the original trilogy and loved it to death. It means so much to me. So check those out first, probably, if you want to. I can't control you. You do whatever you want. From the first movie, I've been interested in Darth Vader, who I eventually found out was Anakin Skywalker. It was amazing to see how basically the trilogy was about Anakin Skywalker. I have so many questions about how he turned into Darth Vader, what happened with that, what happened with the Emperor, how he got into a position where he had to give Luke and Leia away, when he learned that he had kids. There's just so many questions, and I really trust and believe in George Lucas's universe. And I've heard that these movies are some of my friends' favorites, especially people my age. And I know a lot of you guys around my age saw this in the theaters because this is 1999. I'm going in with like low expectations, but also I'm just really excited, first and foremost, to get my questions answered. I am so intrigued by Anakin and Darth. They're almost like two different characters. So let's go ahead and watch. I'm so happy you're here. Oh my God. Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Episode 1, The Phantom Menace. Turmoil has engulfed the Galactic Republic. The taxation of trade routes to outlying star systems is in dispute. Hoping to resolve the matter with a blockade of deadly battleships, the greedy Trade Federation has stopped all shipping to the small planet of Naboo.
I'm a little guy. My hands are little, my features are small, my shoulders slope down, you know. I'm a little guy.
The Supreme Chancellor has secretly dispatched 2 Jedi Knights, the guardians of peace and justice in the galaxy, to settle the conflict. Okay, so there's issues in the Republic. Remember, that was one of my, I was like, is it really all that great in the Republic? Probably better than, of course, the Empire, but yeah, we'll see. I'm not gonna lie, this looks like the Death Star.
This way, please.
Oh, it's a girl one. I like her. TC-14.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Liam Neeson.
Love is patient, like a trained assassin.
Don't center on your anxieties, Obi-Wan.
Oh,
Keep
me?
your concentration here and now where it belongs. Be mindful of the living force, young Padawan.
Padawan, that's where that word comes from. I'm a dum-dum.
No, God!
You are brilliant.
These Federation types are cowards. The negotiations will be short.
Careful, I don't know about that.
They're here to force a settlement.
Oh, so this is the greedy one. Okay, I see.
Distract them. I will contact Lord Sidious. Send a droid.
Oh, this is already not what I expected. He called him young Padawan, so is Liam Neeson's character his mentor? I didn't even no, but he was trained by Master
This game
Yoda.
of yours has failed, Lord Sidious.
Sidious.
I don't want this stunted slime in my sight again.
Is that the Emperor? I don't even know the Emperor's name.
In time, you will call me Master.
Poopy head.
That looks like the Emperor.
Is that legal?
Illegal? Oh,
The Jedi?
okay. Why do they have foreign accents if they're supposed to be on the bad side? Come on, dude. Oh. Green! Oh, they're holding their breaths. I noticed that.
Check it out, Corporal. We'll cover you. Roger, roger.
I love the droids. This ain't no Obi-Wan Darth Vader fight in the first movie. God, I'm obsessed with this half updo. Liam.
Well, no, but I don't. Seal off the bridge.
Yes, sir.
It sounds like a Chinese accent and like... Okay, I'll let it go. I'll let it go. Oh my god. Oh, his hair. I don't know how I feel about Obi-Wan's hair. It's like a buzz cut on top, a little ponytail in the back. Party in the back, says Obi-Wan. Ooh.
This is impossible.
He warned you.
Stand off. Let's go.
Wow. Okay, it's a jump scare whenever I see his little ponytail in the back.
Queen Amidala herself.
Oh, is that Natalie Portman?
Beware, Viceroy. The Federation has gone too far this time.
Ooh.
We would never do anything without the approval of the Senate. You assume too much.
Bro, his accent. Did they have to do that? Okay, so there was so much culture. That's what I'm seeing. So much culture before the Emperor.
Senator Palpatine, what's happening?
How old is she supposed to be? Because she seems so young.
Communications disruption can mean only one thing. Invasion.
Federation would not dare go that far.
The Senate would revoke their...
Already? No, I think they're going that far.
Our security volunteers will be no match against the battle-hardened
Oh
Federation.
my god. I don't even... Are you
Will
serious?
not condone a course of action that will lead us to war.
I'm so confused because she looks like a baby. I love her voice though. And she seems like a good ruler. Who is that? Imagine that's Luke and Leia's mom. But I thought that Anakin was a baby in this.
These Jedi are not to be underestimated.
I'm gonna get canceled for laughing at those characters. Look at them in the herd. This is the prequel to Taken. Wait! Aww, that's so sweet.
The ability to speak does not make you intelligent.
That is
Now get
so
out.
sweet.
No, Mrs. Stay.
What's that?
This is your humble servant.
That won't be necessary.
Oh, but it is. It is demanded by the gods, it is.
What's this?
A local. Let's get out of here before more droids show up.
Jar Jar. What's this?
City.
Uh-huh.
Can you take us there?
On second thought, no, not really, no.
No. That is the sound of 1,000 terrible things heading this way.
If they find us, they will crush us, grind us into tiny pieces, and blast us into oblivion.
Oh.
Ah, your point is well seen. Gungans no liking outsiders, so...
Oh my god, I have his ears flapping. Excuse me. We're going underwater.
You should follow me now, okay?
Uh-huh. Okie day. Oh my god. Wow.
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh, I love it. Beautiful. Okay, George Lucas's mind is something else. I love that all those little habitats look like bubbles. And it's like little air bubbles. I love how at first glance humans are like, oh, what is that thing? What are those things? And they actually have such an evolved civilization away from danger, prying eyes.
You something big doo-doo this time.
Oh. No, that's rude.
You sir cannot be here.
Droid army is about to attack the Naboo. We must warn them.
We shall no like the Naboo. They think their brains so big. They not know of ocean.
No, they will.
And speed is on our way.
We are gonna speed you away. The speediest way to the Naboo is going through the planet core.
You're gonna kill them?
There's a second you said up.
Yeah.
Going through the planet core? That's bombing. Any help here would be hot.
Oh.
Master, we're short on time.
You have to help him. He helped you.
This Gungan may be of help.
Oh.
He owes me what you call a life debt. Your gods demand that his life belongs to me now.
Very smart.
Be gone with him.
You're going, Jar Jar. Oh, cool. I wanted to see more of that city.
Oh, Gooberfish.
Why were you banished, Jar Jar?
It's a long Othello, but Miss Clumsy.
Uh-oh, what'd you do? What did you do? Oh, is that a gooberfish or is that something else? Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, it's a circle of life. You know what? Say what you will about George Lucas and his new special effects and animations, but it is awesome that technology has evolved so that he can give us his true vision.
Queen Amidala is young and naive.
So she is young.
You will find controlling her will not be difficult.
That has to be the Emperor. Queen Amidala.
Where are we going?
Don't worry.
Where are we going?
Losing power.
Oh, no.
Oh, seriously? You couldn't have given them a full tank of gas before they left?
Power's back.
Huh?
Oh, no. Oh, my God. Disney, why couldn't you have made this a ride? This is so cool. They're so chill, and that's Jedis. You know, some people tagged me on Twitter and they said George Lucas actually did base Jedi religion off of Buddhism. Do you see how colorful this is and beautiful? It reminds me of Egypt. It reminds me of Rome. Right before shit goes down. The ornamental costumes, even, you know, Baghdad, the circular kind of architecture, Greece, Library of Alexandria. Oh my God, her outfits. I mean, all of them have amazing outfits. Sneaky. I love that outfit though, because it's like goth queen.
We should leave the street, Your Highness.
Oh my God. Am I gonna cosplay every single one of her outfits? Yes. And where the fuck is Anakin?
My feelings tell me they will destroy you.
My feelings. I mean, yeah, search your feelings.
That doesn't compute. Oh, wait, you're under arrest.
Nice. I love the gigantic statues, the waterfalls, the moss.
And keep out of trouble.
Oh.
Oh, boyos.
Boyos. Oh.
There's the blockade.
Oh my God, of course. There they go. There's a rat or two. Oh.
We're losing droids fast.
Yeah. That's sad. I mean, never to R2 or C-3PO.
That little droid did it! Right past the main power drive.
That's a special one.
We'll have to land somewhere to refuel and repair the ship.
Here, Master. Tatooine.
Tatooine.
It's controlled by the Hutts.
You can't take a Royal Highness there. The Hutts are gangsters.
No! Damn it. The Hutts.
Let's get down to business.
The Hutts. Maybe they're better than Jabba.
Has she signed the treaty?
She has disappeared, my lord.
Why would she sign the treaty?
It's impossible to locate the ship. It's out of our range.
Not for a Sith.
Oh!
This is my apprentice, Darth Maul.
Darth Maul. Ooh.
R2-D2, Your Highness.
Is that R2-D2? No way. That is so
Padme,
cute.
clean this droid up as best you can. It deserves our gratitude.
I don't understand because it was her in the outfit before. So she undercover on purpose before the goth outfit. It was her as the queen. Padme is the queen.
I'm Padme.
Yeah, she was in the...
Jar Jar Binks.
That's Natalie Portman. I think she's dedicating herself to going to undercover.
Getting very scared and grabbing that Jedi and pow! Misa here. Misa getting very, very scared.
Very, very scared. Yeah, she's a baby. She has to be like a teenager. Barely.
The hyperdrive generator's gone, Master. We'll need...
Oh my god, that outfit.
Her Highness commands you to take her handmaiden with you.
No more commands from Her Highness today.
So they're all under the understanding that that's the queen. That's cute. But the Jedi Knights haven't seen the queen before, it seems. Or maybe the makeup is just confusing. Oh, look, she's teeny. Oh, that's so cute. Gosh, how old was she? So this is Luke's planet. Oh, Skywalker. Are we gonna meet Anakin? Oh, her hair is so cute. Huttese? It's a language? Hut? Oh, that's gotta be Anakin. Oh, he's gonna be too similar to Luke.
Don't touch anything.
I'm kind of obsessed with Jar Jar. I think you guys knew I would be.
Are you an angel?
What?
An angel. I heard the deep space pilots talk about them. They're the most beautiful creatures in the universe. They live on the moons of Viego, I think.
You're a funny little boy. How do you know so much?
I listen to all the traders and star pilots who come through here. I'm a pilot, you know, and someday I'm gonna fly away from this place.
You're a pilot?
Mm-hmm. All my life. My mom and I were sold to Gardula the Hutt, but she lost us betting on the pod races.
You're a slave?
I'm a person, and my name is Anakin.
Oh! So we know slaves aren't people. They get their rights taken away.
Hit the nose!
Oh my god, he's so cute! Stop!
Republicans are no good out here.
I don't have anything else, but credits will do fine.
No, they won't.
Credits will do fine.
No, they won't.
Oh.
What, you think you're some kind of Jedi waving your hand around like that? I'm a Toydarian.
Me trying to do tricks with my Shibas.
Only money.
Oh!
No money, no parts, no deal.
That's hilarious. He
Wouldn't
tried.
have lasted long anyways if I wasn't so good at building things.
Of course, this is Anakin. So cocky.
I'm glad to have met you, Anakin.
So
I was
resilient.
glad to meet you too.
Oh, so cute. So she like maybe 13, 8, 9.
Lalova Numatafa.
Jalova Munatafa.
Yippee!
Oh, so cute. And I love that he's like, I'm gonna fly away from this place. And Luke's whole thing at the beginning was, I want out of here. So if R2-D2 has been around since then, that explains so much. And he's not like other droids. He's not like other girls. He's been smart and he's seen all of this happen. Oh my god. Whoops. You know, he is clumsy. He can't help. He gets into trouble.
Ouch! Chesko Saboba. Chapoko Umangisa. Mitisa Radical Banapi Chapachawa.
He sounds like he's speaking Simlish. Bagaditor Zizzle.
We will stick it in a park, skip a dibber in a yard, in 100
Chapachawa. Hi.
Hi there.
So he's looking out for the little one. The little guy.
He picked a fight with a Doug, an especially dangerous Doug called Saboba.
Especially.
But Misa doing nothing.
Literally. Jar Jar Binks did nothing wrong ever, okay?
Storm's coming up, Annie. You better get home
Annie!
Do you have shelter?
Annie!
Come on, I'll take you to my place.
Oh my god. I thought he was going to be moody, broody, angry kid. He is the star of Tatooine. Like, he is so cute. Everyone loves him and respects him.
I'm home.
He's charismatic. Oh.
These are my friends, Mom.
Hi, Daryl.
I'm Qui-Gon Jinn.
Qui-Gon Jinn. Oh my God. Never
Come on,
even
I'll
heard
show
of
you
him.
3PO. Wait a minute.
No. 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 No.
Hell no. To the no. Hell to the no.
He's a protocol droid to help Mom. Watch.
Where is everybody?
Oops.
Oh my God! Anakin made C-3PO! Fuck you, George Lucas. He made one of my favorite characters. I'm texting Caleb.
I beg your pardon, but what do you mean, naked? My parts are showing. My goodness.
Either way, we're running out of time.
Yeah, this is a big, big bully. And, you know, if this really is the Emperor... Whoa! Anakin is watching this happen from such a young age?
You will then have no difficulty in taking the Queen to Naboo to sign the treaty.
So Darth Vader just replaced...
Revenge. You have been well trained, my young apprentice. They will be no match for you.
Oh, that's such a beautiful shot. His face painting. So Darth Vader was just a replacement.
The Republic's anti-slavery laws are...
The Republic doesn't exist out here.
Yeah.
We must survive on our own.
I love that she has a foreign accent.
Has anybody ever seen a pod race?
They're pod racing on Malastare.
I'm the only human who can do it.
You must have Jedi reflexes if you race pods. Don't do that again.
Oh, sassy. Yeah.
You're a Jedi Knight, aren't you?
What makes you think that?
I saw your laser sword.
Laser sword. He's so cute. I need to tweet that Anakin Skywalker is my son.
No one can kill a Jedi.
I wish that was so.
Oh.
I had a dream I was a Jedi. I came back here and freed all the slaves. Have you come to free us?
No, I'm afraid not.
I think you have. Why else would you be here? I can help. I can fix anything.
Waiting on nothing moolah to trade.
These junk dealers
Moolah.
must have a weakness of some kind.
Gambling.
You could enter my pod.
Anakin. Watto won't let you.
Watto doesn't know I've built it. You could make him think it was yours and get him to let me
He's threatened by a
I
little
don't
kid.
want you to race. It's awful. I die every time Watto makes you do it.
Oh.
But Mom, I love it. The prize money would more than pay for the parts they need.
Oh my God.
Your mother's right.
I may not like it, but he can help you.
Reminds me of Eastern European immigrants, and maybe I'm biased because I'm Polish, but that's what their family reminds me of. He has the beautiful, unique demeanor of a kid who has a good mom, but horrible external circumstances. So he's mature for his age because of society and his upbringing, but has people who believe in him and love him. So he has that spark still and creativity and genius.
It wasn't my fault, really. Saboba flashed me with his vents. I actually saved the pod.
You don't play fair.
Well, I have acquired a pod and...
Caleb texted me back. He sure did. Anakin
I
built
hope you didn't kill anyone I know for it, huh?
Kind of love Qui-Gon.
If we win, you keep all the winnings minus the costs of the pods, I mean.
Oh, nice.
And if we lose, you keep my ship. Either way, you win.
Smart. I love this Jedi Knight. This makes me like Jedi Knights more. I really like him. No offense, Obi-Wan. No offense, Yoda. But he might be my favorite Well, he's a Jedi Knight. He's not a Jedi Master, right? There's a difference. He just looks so badass in every shot.
There's something about this boy. You should be very proud of your son. He gives without any thought of reward.
Well, he knows nothing of greed.
He has special powers.
Yes.
Aww.
He can see things before they happen. That's why he appears to have such quick reflexes. It's a Jedi trait. Had he been born in the Republic, we would have identified him earlier.
Oh,
The Force is unusually strong with him. That much is
Can't
clear.
you take her to...
There was no father.
What?
I carried him, I gave birth, I raised him. I can't explain what happened.
Huh?
What? I don't understand. Is that literally? Is he supposed to be Jesus? And that's Mother Mary? What the hell is that? Sorry.
Wow.
And not the ginger kid. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm in the Naboo race tomorrow. What?
Oh, no, you're okay, Annie.
You've been working on that thing for years. It's never gonna run. Come on, let's
you
go
little
and play
shit.
ball. Keep racing, Annie. You're gonna be Bug Squad.
Okay, I'm gonna insult the ginger now. I'm ginger, it's okay, I can.
My turtle, revenge.
Is he really all that clumsy, or does he do this stuff on purpose? Oh my god. Jar Jar, no.
I'm stubborn. Stubborn.
It's working! It's working!
Gosh, I don't know. I can't tell if it's like actually that he just appeared like Jesus, or if it's just symbolic of like single mothers. He just really never had a dad.
I want to be the first one to see them all.
Stop. This hurts. This hurts.
Good as new.
Annie! Can he be his dad?
What are you doing?
Checking your blood for infections. Go on. You have a big day tomorrow.
Are you taking the blood for something else?
I need an analysis of this blood sample I'm sending you.
Wait a minute.
I thought maybe he would like take the mom too, and maybe they would fall in love and be a happy little family.
The reading is off the chart.
Oh.
Over 20,000.
Even Master Yoda doesn't have a midichlorian count that high.
Did you get consent from the mother? I think so. If she heard that, I would hope so. I would hope he didn't just take the kid's blood and fucking test it. So he's like this special... What is this fall from grace? This is like the hardest thing about it is you know where this is headed. It's so hard to watch, you know? It's like interesting and exciting to watch, but it's also hard because, yeah, you know where it's going.
I have a great faith in the boy. Is a credit to your race. Sebulba there is going to win, I think.
Oh my god. Oh, it's the one that with the chicken thing.
He always wins.
Maybe Jar Jar can help sabotage. You don't have to play honorably.
I'll wager my new racing pod against, say, the boy and his mother.
No pod is worth 2 slaves.
Oh, nice.
Not by a long shot.
The boy then.
Oh.
Well,
you're gonna leave her?
I just happen to have a chance cube here.
You can't. You cannot leave the mom, really? Oh. Okay, well, what? Fuck the mom, I guess? Like, Jesus. Let the mom come with. There's no way, right? Padme won't let the mom leave or stay.
My space travel sounds rather perilous. I can assure you they will never get me onto one of those dreadful starships.
This is so wizard, Annie. I'm sure you'll do it this time.
Do what?
This is so wizard, Ani.
You've never won a race?
Well, not exactly.
Not even finished?
Kitster's right. I will this time.
Yeah, Kitster believes in him. Kitster knows. I love he's so overconfident. He's so cute. I love that the kid just like rode with them, the other one. It's just a random 8-year-old. I love that.
That's absolutely right. And a big turnout here from all corners of the Outer Rim territories. I see the contestants are making their way out onto the starting grid.
Oh my god, stop it. Oh, and the other little friend. I think the saddest thing that I'm remembering is that like little egg office that Darth Vader had, and the fact that he didn't have any friends. when friends are what got him through this childhood, and friends of all different species. Sad. He was clearly very lonely. We all know who's gonna win, though.
Young Anakin Skywalker, Ripple Boy.
You are not booing right now, dude. Piusa.
Be safe. I will not. I promise.
Cute. Mary, did you know that your baby boy would grow to destroy the Empire?
Just scrawny dough pot, Slimo.
Yeah.
You all set, Annie?
Yep.
Right.
Whoa!
I'm gonna name my son Annie. Don't ask, okay?
Feel. Don't think. Use your instincts.
I will.
Like with
May
Luke.
the Force be with you.
And also with you. Can't get that Catholicism out of me. It's trained into me. Wait, are those Jabba the Hutt's parents? Your son gets choked out. So they're a huge deal, but they're gangsters.
The Jedi are far too reckless. The Queen is not.
Queen trusts my judgment, young handmaiden. You should too.
You assume too much.
She's so funny. I love her. I hope she's in all of the movies because I really like her. Oh. 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 That's one way to do it. Oh, no.
Come on, Eddie.
Oh. Yeah! Go, buddy.
Go, Eddie, go.
You'll be hard pressed.
Go, Annie, go! I love the purple lights. It's like a purple electricity. That is so cool. It's so unique. This had to be so exciting to watch in the theaters as a kid. Oh my god. How was that allowed? This is a free-for-all. Do what, my croon? Oh, I have to say Huttese is my favorite language in this so far. Oh my god. Okay, so his parents aren't much better. He's coming. Don't worry.
Look, here he comes.
It looks like Skywalker's moving up.
This is me in Mario Kart in 11th place, ready to take the win with my banana peels, my blue shell, and a bunch of boosts that will actually make me crash. Coconut Mall. You've been coconut mauled.
Share this with all your friends to totally coconut maul them.
Excuse me, sir.
Skywalker's spinning out of control.
You'll be okay. Oh, I love how the mom can't look. Kids can withstand that shit. Me? No. I get vertigo. Children, though. Oh my god. Sir. So when he saw Luke flying in the jet and said the Force is strong with this one, he knew what he was talking about. Stop it! Why are you
I don't care what universe you're from. That guy hurt. Sebulba's in the lead, followed closely by Skywalker.
I wonder if he's gonna accidentally kill Sebulba. Oh no! Where are you going? Oh, he landed.
A quick control thrust, and he's back on course. Did he crash it?
Oh my god, go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah! No, he's gonna crash. Oh my God, he's like tinkering. Oh my God. He's like so cute. You got this, honey. Okay, he's not dead. He didn't die. That's what I was worried about. Like, that was the first time he killed someone and then he liked it or some shit. I don't know. I don't think that's it though. He won. It's all up from here. Woo! Look at his face! Cuties.
I did it! Yeah!
Mom, I did it. Yay! Aww.
We owe you everything, Annie.
They kind of remind me of Katara and Aang.
You have brought hope to those who have none. I'm so very proud of you.
That's a good mama. Like a little cringe at the kiss is so accurate. I wonder if George Lucas was like, okay, now cringe when she kisses you.
You swindled me.
What? I thought that his mind tricks didn't work on you.
I'll come by your shop later on so you can release the boy.
You can't have him. It wasn't a fair
Oh
bet.
my God. Okay, so this means both of them can go, right?
Why do I sense we've picked up another pathetic life form?
It's the boy who's responsible for getting us these parts.
Pathetic life form, Obi-Wan. The only pathetic life form I see is a little ponytail on the back of your head.
Shake that ass and shake that mole. Shake your ass.
Sorry. I crack myself up.
Mom, we sold the pod. Look at all the money we have.
Oh my goodness, but that's so wonderful, Annie.
Oh, she's working on it too.
What?
You're no longer a slave.
Now you can make your dreams come true, Annie.
I don't understand why she can't come too. No way. No way, dude.
Is he to become a Jedi?
Yes. Our meeting was not a coincidence.
You mean I get to come with you in your starship?
I'm gonna be really pissed. You know, in the Christian story of Jesus, what the fuck happened to Mary? So, I mean, if he's gonna follow that story, what the fuck happens to her? You're gonna miss your mom. Thank you. Thank you.
Is she free too?
Thank you.
I tried to free your mother, Annie, but water wouldn't have
Did you try your hardest? Are you sure about that?
You sure about that? You sure about that? That's why?
Son, my place is here. My future is here.
She's a slave.
It's time for you to let go.
What?
You can't stop the change. Any more than you can stop the suns from setting.
You could at least fucking free her so she's not a slave. Does he want to kind of like isolate him so he doesn't have ties to the past? Dude.
Will you be all right?
Hello, Master Anakin.
If you bring the fucking droids, but not the mom, I'm going to die.
And I wish you well.
You are my
However,
maker.
I should prefer it if I were a little more completed.
I'm sorry I wasn't able to finish you, 3PO. Give you coverings and
all.
I'm gonna miss working on you. You've been a great pal. I'll make sure Mom doesn't sell you or anything.
Sell me?
Bye.
Are you fucking kidding me? What? Qui-Gon, I have beef with you. What the fuck?
Will I ever see you again?
What does your heart tell you?
I hope so. Yes. I guess. I will come back and free you, Mom.
So he has to do that. A fucking 8-year-old, or however old he is, has to do that. Has to come back and free his mom. When you're a Jedi Master. You're a goddamn Jedi Master, Liam Neeson. I maybe would have understood the choice more if she was like, I'm gonna stay here so you don't look back. Is that like the Skywalker theme? I just got chills. There ain't no way, dude. And then what the fuck was Obi-Wan doing? Like, couldn't he have been working on freeing the mom? Anyone there? And I'm not going to put it on the child, Padme. I have so many questions. Look at him with this gigantic backpack.
Anakin, drop!
Oh my God. I just wonder if like they need to be isolated a bit. Like it's better if they're orphans or some, I don't know. Because he barely fucking tried.
Qui-Gon's in trouble.
Sorry, I think I've been saying Qui-Gon. Qui-Gon. Darth Maul. Darth Maul me daddy. Oh. Caleb, don't put that in the edit.
But it's too late, baby, now it's too late.
My guess is it was after the Queen.
What are we gonna do about it?
It. They're calling it
Skywalker, meet Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Well.
You're a Jedi too? Pleased to meet you.
Well, what a relationship. The start of a relationship. It reminds me of when people go and like rescue children in low-income countries and adopt them and then like just leave the mother there when they could have just sponsored the mom to have the babe to be with the kid. Like obviously he was doing well with his mother. So maybe if they didn't take our little guy, I don't know what would have happened, but Darth Vader wouldn't exist. It's just kind of sinister if you look at it a certain way. They see potential in him with the blood sample and stuff. That's weird. That mom was amazing.
Space is cold.
And she's a
You
child.
seem sad.
She had to grow up too fast too.
I made this for you, so you'd remember me.
But I don't need this to remember you by. Many things will change when we reach the capital, Annie. But my caring for you will remain.
I care for you too. Only
I miss your mother.
Cute. Ooh, that is beautiful. Damn.
Senator Palpatine is waiting for us.
Oh, Senator Palpatine. Who? I feel like that name sounds familiar. Senator Palpatine.
I don't know who this man is. I mean, he could be walking down the street. I wouldn't know a thing. Sorry to this man.
It is a great gift to see you alive, Your Majesty.
Can they really not tell the difference? I wonder if the audience isn't supposed to know that she's the queen, because I just know Natalie Portman. And so I knew it was her underneath that makeup at the beginning.
I'm grateful for your concern, Chancellor.
And she did have a lower voice, so.
Annie, come on.
He's so cute.
The queens are being grossly nice, Mr. Tinks. Pretty hot.
Isn't she a child? Maybe she's not. I just see her as like no older than 14. But maybe people don't know her age. They just know she's young. But Jar Jar, what the fuck? Hot? Pity hot? I'll let that slide.
Oh, I'm so sorry to bring everything to a halt, everybody, but I just wanted to step in here for a second and defend my good friend, Jar Jar Binks. In case you weren't aware, my name is Caleb. I am Meg's husband and the editor of these Star Wars reactions, and I wanted to give you some Gungan lore. So, if you remember earlier in the film, when Jar Jar was in trouble in the Gungan court, the Gungan leader was talking about sending Qui-Gon and Obi-Wan through the planet's core, and Jar Jar responds by saying, "That's bad bombing," and said any help here would be hot, as in, help me out and I'll help you out. If you help me out, that would be cool. When Jar Jar is referring to something as pity hot here, he's not necessarily calling Padme hot or attractive, especially considering Natalie Portman was a teenager when this came out, so that would be pretty freaking weird. Instead, he's saying, hey, Anakin, they're being really nice to us. I didn't expect this. That's pretty cool. And a further example is this graduation card here that I found. I don't know who the person, what the person was graduating from. I don't know who they are. Congratulations to them. Because you also graduated. That's pretty hot. That was my best impression. But I hope this helps clarify things and clear my friend Jar Jar's name. Anyway, Caleb out. Thank you for your time. Back to the reaction.
The Senate is full of greedy, squabbling delegates. There is no interest in the common good.
See, that's Natalie Portman. I think they can't fucking tell.
Chancellor Valorum seems to think.
Yeah, she changes her voice. I love the costume design. The details.
Our people are dying, Senator. We must do something quickly to stop the Federation.
I think we're going to have to accept Federation control for the time being.
Excuse me?
That is something I cannot do.
Yeah, I think the audience is supposed to know that she's like switching out. Oh, look at the council.
The Sith have been extinct for a
millennia. Okay.
I do not believe
Yoda.
the Sith could have returned without us knowing.
Nice. Samuel Jackson. I actually think I saw him in the Lego movie. And also with you.
I've encountered divergence in the Force.
I can't believe Sith Lords have been extinct.
The person?
A boy.
Oh.
His cells have the highest concentration of midichlorians I have seen in a life form. It is possible he was conceived by the midichlorians.
Oh.
You refer to the prophecy of the one who will bring balance to the Force. You believe it's this boy?
Balance. Prophecy.
Trained as a Jedi, your request for him,
Oh, I miss Puppet Yoda. What the fuck is that? Sorry, I'm being xenophobic.
Bring him before us, then.
Fine. See, even they think prophecy is like mumbo jumbo when they're fucking Jedi. That's so interesting. And then also, prophecy to bring balance. So he needs that dark side.
I'm on my way to the Jedi Temple to start my training, I hope. I may never see her again, so I came to say goodbye.
We will tell her for you. We will show her how it goes with you.
Thank you, Your Highness.
She has to like put on the queen. But you know, that's probably actually quite healthy that she thought to do that or someone told her to do that, because then you're separating your role as the queen, the leader, from yourself. And I feel like that you're protecting yourself, and then also you can really separate work-life balance. I think it's a great idea.
In the oppression of the Trade Federation.
Oppression of the...
I object to the Senator's statements.
I'm confused about these politics. I would be like, can we please just like stop with this, because I have vertigo and vestibular migraines.
Naboo's system has been invaded by the droid armies of the Trade.
I object. There is no proof.
Oppression of the people of the... Okay, I understand.
A commission must be appointed. The point...
Can you let her speak?
This is where Chancellor Valorum's strength will disappear.
Don't listen to him. I don't trust him.
I was not elected to watch my people suffer and die while you discuss this invasion in a committee.
She's a good-ass queen.
I suggest new leadership is needed.
Oh!
I move for a vote of no confidence in Chancellor Valorum's leadership.
Well, no, he told her to do that. Sorry, I'm trying to keep up. So he's fucking with her because she's young.
Now they will elect a new Chancellor, one who will not let our tragedy continue.
Is it you? Is it you? Oh, beautiful, beautiful sky. The colors. Suns.
You still have much to learn, my young apprentice.
So what happened to all those people? Everyone but Yoda dies, I think. Or they go into hiding.
How feel you?
How feel you? Oh my god. Oh.
Afraid, are you?
No, sir.
See through you. We can.
Your thoughts dwell on your mother.
I miss her.
He's just a baby.
Afraid to lose her, I think.
Yoda!
What's that got to do with anything?
Everything.
Yoda!
Fear is the path to the dark side. Fear leads to anger. Anger leads to hate. Hate leads to suffering.
He's a child! Yoda!
I sense much fear in you.
He's a kid! What the fuck do you expect? If he just fucking brought his mom, it would be different. You expect him not to be fearful? And you're already leading him down that path? Motherfucker!
People gonna die? I don't know. Gungans get pasted too, eh?
Jar Jar.
Your Highness,
What happened?
Senator Palpatine has been nominated to succeed
What?
Lauren as Supreme Chancellor.
A surprise, to be sure, but a welcome one.
Oh, really? Oh, he's probably the Emperor? No, see, she already knows. She doesn't like him. Follow your intuition.
Fear about the time you have control of the bureaucrats, Senator. There'll be nothing left of our people, our way of life.
I understand your concern, Your Majesty. Unfortunately, the Federation has possession of our planet.
Oh.
This is your arena. I feel I must return to mine. I've decided to go back to Naboo.
Please, Your Majesty, stay here where it's safe.
It is clear to me now that the Republic no longer functions. I pray you will bring sanity and compassion back to the Senate.
The Republic now no longer functions.
He is to be trained then?
No, he will not be trained.
Why? Because
No.
he's scared and misses his fucking mom? You
He's too
dumbass Jedis. What?
He is the chosen one. You must see it.
Yoda said the same thing with Luke.
This boy's future is.
I kind of love Yoda for what he is, though. He doesn't pretend to be
I take Anakin as my
perfect.
Padawan learner.
An apprentice you have, Qui-Gon. Impossible to take out a second.
The code forbids it.
The code?
I am ready to face the trials.
Our own counsel we will keep on who is ready.
Yoda!
He is headstrong, and he has much to learn of the living force, but he is capable.
He's kind of a piece of shit, but he's evil. I love that. It's kind of fucked up, guys.
The Senate is voting for a new Supreme Chancellor, and Queen Amidala is returning home, which will put pressure on the Federation and could widen the confrontation.
And draw out the Queen's attacker.
This is the clue we need to unravel the mystery of the Sith.
Yeah, okay.
May the Force be with you.
See, as you know, as long as we don't revere, we don't hold the Jedi Council and their way of things to the highest degree, I'm like, I can enjoy it. But it's when...
not disrespect, Master. It's the truth.
Oh.
From your point of view,
The boy is dangerous. They all sense it. Why can't you?
his fate is uncertain. He's not dangerous.
Wow, Obi-Wan knew. Wow. That actually...
I don't want to be a problem.
You won't be any.
Master, sir. I heard Yoda talking about midichlorians.
He's smart.
Midichlorians are a microscopic life form that resides within all living cells.
That's so cool. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
Without the midichlorians, life could not exist, and we would have no knowledge of the Force.
Wow, that's
They
so
continually speak to
cool.
us, telling us the will of the Force.
Oh.
When you learn to quiet your mind, you'll hear them speaking to you.
I don't understand.
With time and training, Annie, you will.
Bro, I'm gonna just like out of nowhere pull that out. Just be like,
Oh my god, please. Shush, I'm trying to hear my midichlorians.
I welcome your help. Senator Palpatine fears that the Federation means to destroy me.
I assure you I will not allow that to happen.
Come on, R2.
you know, I believe that Annie will be able to tell that that's Padme. This is crazy.